What if I told you there are 5 AI tools right now that can help you earn a significant income online, with potential earnings of $1,000 per month or more, depending on your skills and dedication? You're probably thinking that's too good to be true, but it's not, and I'm about to show you what they are. You're probably tired of wasting money on expensive software that doesn't work. You're spending $500 per month on tools that promise the world but don't deliver. You're missing opportunities because you can't afford the latest and greatest AI tools. You're feeling left behind as everyone else seems to be making money with AI. Except you. You're working long hours for little pay and you're getting nowhere. You're feeling frustrated and you don't know what to do. You're searching for a way to make a real income with AI, but you don't know where to start. By the end of this video, you'll learn about 5 AI tools that can make you real money. You'll be able to use them to save time and increase your income. You'll be able to make $1,000 per month or more with these tools. One is called AI Writer. It's a tool that writes articles and blog posts for you. It's fast and it's good and it's free. You can use it to write 5 articles per day. That's 150 articles per month. To use it, you need to sign up for a free account. Then you need to choose a topic and a title. Then you need to click the Generate button and wait for the article to be written. You can use it to write articles for clients and charge them. For example, experienced writers can charge between $100 to $500 per article. And with AI Writer, you can potentially increase your output and earnings, but results may vary. But this next one, nobody is talking about it yet. 2 is called AI Video Maker. It's a tool that makes videos for you, with a free tier available to get you started and affordable upgrades for more features. You can use it to make 5 videos per day. That's 150 videos per month. To use it, you need to sign up for a free account. Then you need to choose a template and a title. Then you need to add some text and images and click the Generate button. You can use it to make videos for clients and charge them $1,000 per video. For example, you can make 5 videos per month and charge $1,000 per video. That's $5,000 per month. But this next one is a secret. 3 is called AI Social Media Manager. It's a tool that manages your social media accounts for you. It's fast and it's good and it's free. You can use it to post 5 times per day. That's 150 posts per month. To use it, you need to sign up for a free account. Then you need to connect your social media accounts. Then you need to choose a post type and a schedule and click the Generate button. You can use it to manage social media accounts for clients and charge them $500 per month. For example, you can manage 10 social media accounts per month and charge $500 per account. That's $5,000 per month. But this next one is a total surprise. 4 is called AI Affiliate Marketer. It's a tool that finds affiliate products for you. It's easy to use and it's fast and it's free. You can use it to find 5 products per day. That's 150 products per month. To use it, you need to sign up for a free account. Then you need to choose a niche and a keyword. Then you need to click the search button and wait for the products to be found. You can use AI Affiliate Marketer to find products to promote, with average commissions ranging from 5% to 20%. And experienced affiliates can earn between $100 to $1,000 per product sale, depending on the niche and marketing strategy. But this next one is the best. 5 is called AI Online Store Builder. It's a tool that builds online stores for you. It's fast and it's good and it's free. You can use it to build 5 stores per day. That's 150 stores per month. To use it, you need to sign up for a free account. Then you need to choose a template and a product. Then you need to click the Generate button and wait for the store to be built. You can use it to build stores for clients and charge them $1,000 per store. For example, you can build 5 stores per month and charge $1,000 per store. That's $5,000 per month. You're probably excited to start using these tools, and you should be. Watch the next video to learn about 5 more AI tools that can help you make real money. We're going to cover AI tools that can help you scale your online business with potential earnings of $10,000 per month or more, but requiring dedication, expertise, and a well-executed strategy. You won't want to miss it, so keep watching. The next video is going to blow your mind. It's all about AI tools that can help you build a real online business.